Come on down. Here he is, DM. He's 7 years out from ACL primary repair. Go ahead. Plays basketball and snowboarding. Okay, DM. He is 7 years out from primary ACL repair. Did great right in the beginning. He was one of the first 5, I believe it was, that we did. Got his improvement, his range of motion, recovered very quickly, and then we haven't seen him for a long time. Every now and again we call him, say, how you doing? He says great. He's a basketball player, he's a snowboarder. Here's his leg, let's check him out. We got great range of motion. We're all the way up, we're all the way back, and we've got a nice negative Lockman. It's been like this for 7 years despite active lifestyle, and he's no worse for the wear. Great, thanks.